Lolwe Odwadu 97.3 FM.
I'm Evelyn Awur Aenda, that is to say my full name as a Kenyan, but I call myself Eve Aenda or Nyashugabel because I come from Sakwa Awenda, that is South Nyanza. Because you know, when somebody is studying media, the first thing is I want to work either on TV or radio, you know, but we know there's so many things you can do when you're a journalist. There is print media, you can work in a communication organization, like you can be a communication expert or something. So I really wanted to be on radio. I didn't care about TV or print. I just wanted to be on radio. And now when I was done with high school, first I went to some college. There was a new college in Kisumu. I wanted to be a tutor. I wanted to teach some of the units in journalism. Then they told me they didn't have that chance, but the only place where I could get a job is being at the front office, maybe a receptionist. I agree, the salary was meager, but I took it. I worked after that, but I sent my papers. I sent my papers to some organizations, and after 1 year, I got a job in my first radio station. It was not easy, Bruno. Let me just tell you, because it was a Luo radio station, a vernacular radio station, and I was not so good. Okay, I'm a Luo. Siezi ringa, I'm a Luo and I speak fluent Luo. But in a radio station, kuna zile Kijaluo wanataka. Yeah. So at first it was not easy. There's a time my boss even told me, you will either choose to learn Kijaluo first, then you come back. Yeah, because you can't be fumbling on air with words. So it was not easy, but I was a co-host, by the way. So I learned very fast from my leader, like the host. So I learned very fast, and I could even do news. By the way, right now I can do news that goes even for 30 minutes with fluent Luo. So yeah, wow. It's been a good journey, because something that I must tell you, Bruno, I've been rising, okay? I've been rising. You know, there's a way you can start high, then your graph keeps going down. But mine has been rising from where I started to where I am right now. It's a progress, so I'm happy. Yeah, do it perfectly. That is what will retain you. If you go for internship or attachment, just do what you're told. You know, some of them, once you go for attachment or internship, they start getting lazy. You're given homework, you're given assignments, you don't do. You show up late, you show up shaggy. Just be presentable. No. Then, yeah, that's it. Though knowing someone is equally good, but it's not a must. So I think, to me, I believe it's your good work that will send you, okay? Like when you're somewhere and you're doing good things in an organization, they will say, we need this one here, okay? You could be, you know someone in that organization, but they don't even want to be associated with you because first, your work is not good. Yes. First, you're embarrassing them. Who will want to be associated with you? Okay? So, and then it's not a must that if you know me, I must help you. It's not. So maybe unanijua, unaona Eve is there, so maybe when I'm done, I can say, get kutafuta kazi. But you can't force me. If I don't want, the people who they just don't want to help others, the people will just tell you, just struggle the way I struggle, okay? Just push away the way I did mine. So don't put it in mind that you know someone. Yes, just allow me to say that I'm not greedy. I am happy where I am. But if God open ways, it's not like I'm here, yes, and I'm contented. It's not like I want to be somewhere. Yes, it's in my heart, but I don't want to grab it. Okay, let it come. There are people who they rush into things. They rush into things. Maybe you're thinking, kuna place ingine mzuri kuliko hapo. When you're here, build yourself here. Okay, so when you move, it's permanent. Kuna wengine kitu ikifunguka tu, like we always have new media houses coming up, radio stations, TV stations. People will always resign. I'm going to that new one. You don't know about it, okay? So I'm just praying to God to open ways, okay? But I'm not greedy like I'm just okay here. But if you open ways, I'll seize the moment. We have people who studied media, but they are musicians. We have people who studied media, they are mama mbogas, okay? Don't just say, I must do what I studied. Take any opportunity that comes your way, okay? Don't leave other jobs because you just focused on one. Currently, in as much as we have so many radio stations or media houses, employment, it's not there. They will tell you, hapa tuko sawa, we've even overemployed. So just take what comes as you wait for what you want, okay? As long as it's paying, just take what comes your way. Then don't give up. Don't give up. Life is for those who go out of their way, okay? Just go out of your way and things will be okay. If you get an opportunity, do the best you can. Use that opportunity to prove that you can do it. So that is what will keep you growing, and that is what will keep you going. And another thing, kuwa na roho nzuri, penda watu, alafu fanya kazi yako bana. Usianze kukua na groups. You know another thing, Bruno, being in groups, that you want to do things in groups, you want to gossip in groups, you want to, when something happens, you will be an individual. Utakuwa tu peke yako. So always do your things your own way. Okay, you can always seek for pieces of advice, but the decision lies with you. So that's what will keep you going. Thank you, Bruno. I think that's fine.
Thanks, and thanks for your time.